Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Tim with LeaderGov. I hope your week is off to a great start as we get together and talk about a leadership topic. And today we're going to talk about cross-training. Under this heading in October of organizing our team, we know that effective leaders use cross-training as a training tool to organize their people more efficiently, more effectively. It's a development tool to get people exposed to different responsibilities and skills, and really benefits the team in so many ways, just in terms of kind of getting succession ready folks that can take on more responsibility and more roles. So I think intuitively we would all agree that cross-training is a great idea. So the question is, why don't we do it more? And the answer, of course, is we're awfully busy and it's very, very disruptive, or can be disruptive, depending on the approach that you take to cross-training. And I wanted to share a couple different ideas with you about how to kind of maybe tip your toe into the waters of cross-training. One idea that we have that we know works is accountability partners, right? You may have 6 or 8 people on your team, and maybe we pair them up in groups of 2, and we, over a 30-day or 60-day period, we encourage these accountability partners to share with each other what do they do specifically, and maybe spend an hour a week or an hour every other week with each other, sharing their responsibilities. It's really a great opportunity for someone to pull out their job description, right, and go through that and really identify all the tasks that they're involved with and share that with another person, and talk about what their approaches are. And really it's a great way to share that information. And I would love that 2 of our team members would be doing that together. So we like this accountability partner as a way to start this cross-training process. Now, beyond just us team members sharing what they do, obviously, cross-training can be more effective if people actually assume some of those responsibilities, and that's where the hard timeshare gets in place, where we would actually reverse roles for a period of time, maybe a day a month or a half day a month, where these 2 accountabilities would swap and share responsibilities. Again, you're going to have to be creative and think about how that could work best for your team. Every team is different depending on what your responsibilities are. But I like this idea of having a plan, right? Really identifying what are these roles that we play, and maybe your folks are very comfortable with identifying all of their responsibilities and all the things they do. Maybe they're not, but that could be a great place to start, right? Is this exercise of planning out what we do every day, every week, and putting it on paper, and then creating some partners or some way for teammates to share with each other what they do, and finding time to actually dig in and do that work. So this is a really important topic. Again, I know you might be moving into a very busy season right now, or this might be a season where you could do more of this type of work. Maybe your work volume as we move out of summer months has fallen off a little bit, where we can spend time on cross-training. I would suggest that you look for, if you have a down season or a slower season, that's a great time to do cross-training for people to try and experiment in different roles and responsibilities within your team. So again, our encouragement is just to take a small step, whatever that step is for you and your team. It could be also mentoring is a cross-training idea. You might be able to, if you've got some more senior people on your team, that you'd partner them up with some less experienced folks, just to create those mentorship relationships. That can be a great way over time for people to understand what the roles and responsibilities are of teammates. So again, our encouragement is to try something. We would love to hear from you, different approaches. We do get emails from time to time from local government leaders throughout the country with different ideas and different practices that they've put in place. If something has worked really well for you in cross-training, send us an email. I'm Tim at LeaderGov.com. Would love to hear from you and tell us a story. If you've tried something that didn't work so well in terms of cross-training, we would love to hear those stories as well, and we'll share them back with our local government leadership community. Have a great day, a better week, and we look forward to seeing you soon.